Hello folks, before we get started, I would like you to work with my internet coaches to help build your online income up to $10,000 a month. Now my coaches are Fergal Downs, Trevor Carr, and Max Gerstenmeyer. Now this is massive folks, so if you're interested, click the first link in the description below. Now let's get back to that review. You can grab the product in the second link in the description at any point during this video, and when you do, I will give you 4 exceptional bonuses. The first bonus shows you how to supercharge your money online business with over 12,000 free traffic sources every Friday. Grab it, and you will reach your online income goals quickly and easily. The second bonus is a highly prized product that shows you how to act as a middleman on Fiverr. And when you get an order for a high value gig, as an example, you can buy the gig from someone else on Fiverr for a much lower price and then deliver that to your buyer, and you pocket the difference. Bonus number 3 will show you how to create a passive income. And here's the crucial thing, folks. It's a recurring passive income, and you can do it with ease. Now, my fourth bonus will allow you to supercharge your results with an evolutionary system. It'll show you how to earn up to $186 today in just 3 simple steps, while only spending 15 minutes every day to run the entire system. You receive a done-for-you, high converting website, and then all you have to do is turn on the traffic sources. Now let's get on with that review. The creator of Nature Videos Bundle is Daniel Melandri. Now he is a well-known vendor in Warrior Plus circles, and his products are always prized and sell very quickly. In a nutshell, this is a mega bundle of nature viral videos suitable for TikTok, YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, and so on. So if you want to build a viral channel on social media without the manual work that comes with it, then check out this product. Now here's some things you should know about this product. You receive 300 nature viral videos with unrestricted use right out of the box. You also receive 3 bonuses: a tutorial guide, a video course on online marketing lifestyle with MRR rights, a video course, the creator economy with MRR, and a mega bundle of done-for-you personal growth material and coaching sessions with PLR rights. Now, this is a super trending video package picturing natural places, landscapes, panoramas, and much more. And it's easy peasy. You don't need to be a video editing whiz kid to run this particular program. Now the sales funnel looks like this. The front end is $12.95, and accept the front end bump and get 200 more additional videos for just $9.95. OTO1 is 550 additional video mega bundle for $27, and that comes with PLR rights. And OTO2 is relaxation and nature audios for $37. So that one allows you to find that inner peace and calmness that you're always searching for. And OTO3 is a mega bundle of viral videos for $87. And that one, you will receive all previously released viral video packages, which are 8 in all, for one-time price. And now that's a great deal. and it comes with 100% unrestricted use rights. Now watch for the downsells. You will save some money, but you also get less product or a different product. Now if you want to know more about this product, click the second link below and get the full story. And before I go, don't forget to check out how to earn $10,000 monthly in that first link below. And my 4 bonuses. They show you how to supercharge your online e-business and get access to a ton of free traffic. They show you how to buy services from Fiverr and pocket the difference. And they show you how to gain a reoccurring income online with a great ease. And the 4th bonus will show you how to earn daily income using 3 simple steps while only spending 15 minutes a day to run the entire system. Now, thank you for watching, folks. See you next time.